Hi, everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a simple small business website for a landscaper or a landscaping business. So first thing I'm going to do is share my screen, and I'm going to head over here to mightysites.com or go to start free trial or sign in as the way to get started. You can go to launch as well, or you can scroll down here and find the template itself. So I'm going to jump right in. I'm going to actually just search for the landscaper template. So here it is. I click on that to get started. It's going to ask me my name. My name's already entered here. It's going to ask for your name and email, and then next your company name. So I'm just going to call this Keegan's Landscaping Company. And let's fix my spelling there. And let's just put in here Denver, Colorado. And then you pick your business type. So there's restaurant, retail, service, other. A landscaper, that's a service business. You're providing a service for others. So I'm going to click continue. And just like that, Mighty Sites is actually going to automatically generate, it's a website generator, generate a website for my landscaping company. So you can see now as I scroll through this, there's a really simple professional website that was just created for my landscaping business without me having to deal with a messy, website builder, anything like that. Just a nice, simple, professional website template gets deployed for my landscaping company. Now, from here, it's really easy to get started editing the site. So I can do things like click on this paint can and change colors. So I can pick a color theme that matters to me. Maybe a nice green would make sense for a landscaping company, but not always. Depending on your logo, you might want a red, or you might want some of these earthy tones to make sense. So it just depends on your business, your branding. You could go with a blue or a lighter color. There's all these color palettes here available to you, and more being added all the time, where you can thumb through and think of which one really makes the most sense for me and my business. I'll stick with this darker green color for now. Now, for each of these sections that you want to update, it's point and click. So it's meant to be really easy and simple to use. So the first thing I'm going to do is click here on update section, and I can go in here and I can put in my phone number, my address. I can update my social media links. So as soon as I start putting these things in, I'll move my video here so you can see this a little easier. But as soon as I start putting these things in, they're going to populate over here on the right. So if I put in my Twitter account, if I put in my business's Facebook page, all of a sudden those links automatically populate for me. And then I just click save and close. And now my website is linked to social media. Same thing if I enter my address or my email, my phone number, those all populate up at the top. I can also add my logo simply by clicking on update logo, browsing and uploading my logo from my computer. I can click on update menu and I can change my menu around. I can click on update location and I can add any of my location information there. And once I'm done with any changes, I click save and close it. So let's just say I want to upload a different image here. Any of these sections, it'll have little buttons for you where you can pick, okay, I want to update the image, I want to update the menu, right? Or if I go to this, I want to update the text, or I want to update the button. And you can see this landscaping company website template. So I just typed in here, this landscaping company website template. And now you can see it right here. Now I can do things like I can link it somewhere else, or I can make it bold or italicized. It's really easy to just make changes and see what changes you're making. And then I can click save and close. And there we go. The copy's updated. Now, if I want to update this again, let me just delete that. And let's just say I want to change the button. Well, here's the contact us button. Let me move over to choose. And now I can choose. Maybe I want this to click to call. So I'll put in click to call. And now, knowing somebody's going to probably visit my website on their mobile phone, now when they click on that contact us, it's going to automatically call me once I enter my phone number into this. I can also link to another website, or I can link this button to my website, another action. I can upload a PDF, any of those things that I want to do here. I'll leave it as click to call for now. So it's really simple and easy to edit this. I can edit any of my services, whether I offer more than this or less than this, but all of these licenses are actually pre-licensed for you to use as well. So no matter what type of business you are, any template that you choose for a small business template, it's going to come with pre-licensed images and pre-written text just to help you get started and make the process of finishing your landscaper website really easy. So once I'm done here and I've made any updates or changes and I'm comfortable with, I can click over here on stop editing and go to the site dashboard. Now, I should mention Mighty Sites is only $9 a month. So it's a really affordable, and that includes the website hosting, the template, the editor, the backend. It also includes a secure certificate. So this little lock that you see right here, you'll have that on your website. So you have a safe, secure website for your business. You can also even connect a custom domain. So if you own a domain from GoDaddy, Google Domains, domain.com, any of those, you can simply quickly and easily connect to your website as well. Now, one of the really nice things is collecting leads. So there's a contact form on the site, and when people submit that contact form, it goes right here into your lead section. So you can continue to get new business, because that's one of the best benefits of a website, is that you continue to get leads for your business. You can update social links, update your location information, connect your domain there. Again, it's only $9 a month for the site. And then whenever you want to go back to edit, you just click on update, and it takes you right back to updating the website. And I'm going to click here on stop editing, and I can go back to the site dashboard. So that's it. That's how you make a website for a landscaper or a landscaping company using Mighty Sites. It's a really easy to use, simple solution to create an affordable, mobile-friendly website. You can even build this website right from your phone. Many people do that, and it's really easy to do. And then you can launch the site, use that on your business cards, use it in your marketing, and obviously it'll be a way to help get more customers who need landscaping services to find your business. Again, this system is only $9 a month. So it's really simple, easy to use solution for small business owners like yourself, like landscapers, or if you own a landscaping company, to get a nice, simple, professional website up and running that doesn't break the bank and helps drive leads into your business.